Now, let's explore the Posts tab in Zoho Social. This section is your content hub, where you can manage all your social media posts. At the center of the screen, you'll see a list of your posts organized by date. Each entry shows the publish date and time, a preview of the post content, the interaction column, which will display engagement metrics, and the author or publisher who created the post. On the left side, you have multiple categories to manage your content. Publish posts, all posts that are live on your social channels. Scheduled posts, posts planned for future publishing. Approvals, posts waiting for team approval. Unpublished posts, drafts that haven't been published yet. Drafts, saved posts for later editing. Calendar, a visual view of your posting schedule. RSS feeds and social library for curated content and reusable assets. At the top left, you'll find the New Post button. Click this to create and publish a new post instantly. On the top right, you can sort posts by recent posts or other filters to quickly find what you need. The Post tab is your central place to create, organize, and monitor all your social media content efficiently.
Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.